Let's just release it into the wild. There we go. We are live. We are live twice. AVAX. I haven't looked at AVAX in a while. We should do that. Reef. Reef looks like crap. Looks like poop. Render kind of unremarkable right now. Maybe FTM. I know, I saw you, WolfX. I just said it. Reef. FTM, all right. You're making moves. Son of a bitch, dude. We are seeing this happen a lot on our alt charts. So predictably, we've seen charts return to those resistances as support. Over the last 7 months, it's clockwork. Have you noticed? I'd say over the last month or two, they aren't. Instead, they're moving to resistance, kind of doing these near misses at times, right? Get close to the support, they get bought up early, move to resistance. FTM tapped 80 cents on Tuesday. I think it's heading for $1. What do you guys think about $1? Beautiful inverse head and shoulder. It didn't back test the neckline. That's all right. I think we're going for $1. $1 is always a good target at any time of the day. If you're looking for an entry on FTM, I still think 56 cents is possible. I still would prefer that, but maybe. You look for kind of this end of September, 67, 68 cents. I'm like hesitant to place another long position because God, I feel like if I do, they're all gonna fill at once. They're all gonna get wrecked. Maybe something like that. Let's do $1 as the target. I like the dollar target. Boom. I don't know. It's too high. You're buying too high. You want to get high. You don't want to buy high. But 68 cents if I was looking to scalp, if I was desperate for an entry on FTM, that's where I'd be looking. We break $1. What do we got? $1.25. $2. Damn, do $1.70. All right. FTM looking good. Looking real good. What else we got? SNX. Reefer Madness. Yeah. I was gonna look at Reef, but he just kept spamming it. So, oh, he changed it up. Then he wanted to look at something else. We looked at Saga, I want to say earlier this week. Why is it not here? Do a thumbnail wearing shades? Nah, it gets more clicks when I'm not wearing them on the thumbnail. What happened to the Saga chart? I'm very sad. I'm very sad. We absolutely made one. Bitcoin doing nothing. Okay. Hold up. Doge SCI. Looking for something. Here we go. Is it here? Here it is. All right, I found it. Miracle that I was able to find that. Saga. Saga's not up. In the last 30 days. All right. Yeah. They said in the last day it was up. I was like, oh, cool. It was 113% candle. Tapped resistance. Boom. Since we looked at it last. This is it. This chart doesn't have a lot of history. But here you are. $3. This is the resistance. You break this, you're looking at your all-time high. Break your all-time high, you're looking at some very, very crazy numbers for Saga. Still quite a bit away. In fact, I'm going to put another alert on this because I guess it went off. There we go. Doesn't look bad. Resistance. Back test. You might be onto something. TRX says Paz. Yeah, sure. Yeah. There's a lot to look at. There's a lot of charts to look at today, boys. TRX climbing back up. Tested 16, fell back down. It's kind of being boring, huh? Kind of being boring. Untested resistance as support 14.5. Still possible. We have to see probably the market reject here pretty bad. 17-cent high this year. The 1618 extension from your swing high to swing low sits right there. It's some nice confluence. 18.5 cents. Dude, this chart though. Yeah, sure. Tron is like super centralized, whatever. But damn, this chart, man. This is all the way back to 2017. Look at this. You put this upside down, you tell me that's not a hell of a chart. Hell of a chart. I still think TRX is going to move higher. I don't think it's done, but it seems to kind of be loading, right? And doing a little loading right now. Tron. Yeah, Tron is TRX. You just lost 30K. Truly smart. It's okay, brother. Got to practice that risk management, my friend. Got to tighten the belt on the risk management. Tia, XRP, SUI. We did SUI. Old school viewer here. Luke, 5001. What's up, brother? What's up? You're on the mobile stream, by the way. On the vertical mobile stream. You can join us on the main one where we had like almost 1,000 viewers earlier. What else are we looking at? What else are we looking at, boys? Let's pull up CoinGecko. What's moving? WorldCoin, meh. Doge, we looked at. Mog, all right, we look at Mog. We can Mog. I'm mogging right now. Mogging on you. Oh, that was cringe, bro. So cringe. All right, Mog. Mog, all right. Wow. Fibs work, dude. I might have to start using more extensions. Pretty wild. This 4 extension, which we never use. Look at it. Look at this. Almost nailed the top here, and now price, tap, tap, tap. This looks very bullish. This looks bullish. Thing you're going to run into, though, is where do you enter? I don't know, man. You buy in here, you're buying almost at the all-time high. I would prefer to even see something like this. Pop up above, what, 22,000? Back down, test it as support, enter there. Versus buying here right under support. Sure, this looks awesome. It does look awesome. Let's get new upside targets, though. We have an all-time high. We have a swing low. Let's get some targets, boys. Boom. 53. 87. It's like a 2.5x, 4x. By the way, keep smashing that likes, tapping the screen, subscribing. Make this little number. Make it go up. You can do that just by tapping it. Just by subscribing. It will update in real time. Very good stuff. Had quite a few subscribers, I think. What's up, Miguel Albert? Trouble Someone gifted a membership. Hell yeah, man. Right on. Skepticide Gritch. Mosisa. What's up, Mosisa? I'm missing these super chats, dude. I don't know. It just does not alert me to them. Let me go through the super chats now. Let me see. Let me see. I wasn't ignoring you. We checked Saga. Sin. Istaphobic asked for Sin a bit ago. Mr. 100. Up 3,400 on a long from 62,000. Nice. Feeling like you're just going to degen it out and go for it. You need 5 figures. You know what, Mr. 100? Never be afraid, man. Never be afraid of trimming a position, right? You're up a lot. You're thinking, I want to hit this number. Never be afraid to just take a little bit off the table, right? You don't have to be all in or all out. You don't have to have the whole position open. Think about it. Taking stuff off the table always a good idea, in my opinion. And thank you for the 5. JGD, $5. God bless. Are you cautious about USDTD? All right, well, look at USDTD. I am just not a huge believer in this chart. Being at the bottom of the long channel since mid-March. I think USDTD, I also hate saying the ticker, is looking for it. Be cautious about the long macro chart since mid-March. Okay, I see what you're saying. From here. Nah. We need this. This is what we want. This is what I want. This is what we want for more upside. So this is what you're looking at. I get it. I think you need to zoom out a little. You zoom out, you see, yeah, we're in this trend. So what happened, right? Bitcoin all-time high. It's retraced since then. Now back to that channel. So basically, while it's here, we're following the trend down, the downtrend from the high. I think we see USDTD fall down to the macro trend, to the actual macro trend. Likely painting a new Bitcoin all-time high. If I can do this, there we go. Painting a Bitcoin all-time high. It's currently at 5.2. That'd be looking down like 4.2%. Let's see. I think she's bearish. I think she's going lower. I think she's going lower. But no, I'm not worried. Not worried. I think we go right here. Yeah, like your bear market lows, right? All-time high. I think. In fact, I'll make an even bolder prediction. I think not only do we see a return to the bottom of this macro channel, I think we see a break. I think we go under. I think we go down here as Bitcoin enters the full bull, the full-blown bull mode. I think we go down here. Down here is where dreams are born. Moons are born. Thank you for the 5 though, my friend. John Jacob wants to look at waffles on Sol. Nah, man, I don't think I'm gonna look at waffles unless I have a chart already. If I have a chart, I'll look at it. I have a chart. I'm not gonna look at it. Sorry, bro. Is it even like a chart? Nah, dude. It's like barely a $10 million market cap. I'm not gonna look at it. Sorry. Apologize. Rigo with 5. You're wondering why 69,000 resistance? Honestly, I think we've all just willed it into existence. I think we all have memed it into existence. Kind of the same way though that Bitcoin found resistance at 9,000 long ago. The memes. It's over 9,000. I remember those memes so clearly because we used them so many times. So many times for so long as it rejected 9,000. I really think it's just like a new psychological level. We talk about 1, we talk about 5, 10, those kind of quantities as psychological levels because they're easy to understand. But I think we have kind of willed into existence 2 new ones, and that is 69, but also 420. You'll notice many charts tend to stop at 69 or 420. I think it's all just psychological. I think it's just in our heads, man. Obe, my guy, 16 months subscribed. Well done. Colorado Trader 720, $6.18 super chat. I got a Dogecoin tattoo for the first time when it hit 42 cents. Can't wait to revisit it. Well, I'll be getting my first tattoo at 100K, boys. How long till I get it? How long till I dirty this virgin skin with a Bitcoin tattoo? Hopefully soon. I thought I would already have it by now. I thought I'd had it in 2021. I was wrong. What's up, Dim M, 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝, with Spectra? I'm a director. How are you? 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝. All the new subscribers. What's up, boys? What's up? I got the wrong chat pulled up. Refreshing the chat, it froze. Michael Collins says USDTD is likely to go up to 7% and then return to long-term line. If you think so, bud. I mean, I don't think so. 7%. Okay, it's not that far. I thought 7% was the high of July. Maybe. Why not? I mean, certainly possible. I don't know how this is going to resolve. You're late to the party? Never. Check Bitcoin? Yes. Always. Man, that little scalp might play out. Lower low back to our high. We might. Been saying it since the start of the stream an hour and a half ago. I think we see a higher high today during the live. My charts give you hope. I saw that. Good. Have hope, but always practice safe risk management. What's God's numbers? I don't know. What's up, TC? What's up, Brendan? Gold. I know gold's at all-time highs too. I don't know if I can look away from the corn right now. It's too spicy. Happen on that resistance. Definitely can pull up gold. I should have already. I saw the alerts and then forgot about it. When you hitting the long button, brother, I'm always hitting the long button. I'm always long. Gold again at all-time highs, making everyone jealous. Everybody just so jealous. Man, that big trend. Yeah, big old trend line. Gold blasting through it. This is roughly where I was looking for gold to either blow off top and just settle back down to the probably low 2000s, or maybe begin a parabolic run, right? If gold can close up here this month, I think it's going to start behaving very differently. In fact, without a doubt, it's been behaving differently. Since March of this year, since our all-time high on Bitcoin, gold has just continued to float up. It's interesting stuff. What's up, Profit Bear? I see you, brother. We can pull up the Jesus for you. Gold keeps running today, 2,738. Where'd corn go? Bitcoin's only 8% of your portfolio because you're an idiot. I mean, I think that's way too low. Yeah. Bitcoin's like 80% of my portfolio. Oh, Profit Bear. I know you I think you gave like $100 super chat for this the other day. Talking about this 10,000 line, the one, the psychological. Finding resistance there. Here's the good news. You tested your descending trend. You hit a higher low, hit a higher high. Now you're back to the trend. You hold here, you bump and run. Probably looking for like 2x. Probably looking for a good upside move. Still have support below you at the same level. Still have resistance above you at the same level. Not a lot really changing in that sense. This has been very sideways. At least it isn't selling off though, right? The ETH pair. Beautiful take profit. Maybe a little reversal here. Man, this thing has just been monstrous. We had a 300% trade against Ethereum on this. On the Jesus coin. I appreciate you, Profit Bear. Appreciate your support of this channel, you demand. I don't really have much to say about this. The Ethereum pair, it looks like it's about to go retest its high. The dollar pair looks kind of stuck, but if it can hold this low, man, that's a bump and run. That's a little bully setup. Sorry, was in the cinema. What's the other overall outlook? Oh, we bullish, baby. I think we bullish. Oh no, resistance, no. No. You're bricked? Are you bricked? AI is coming for you? Nah, Bathwater Basin. AI is coming for your carbon. It wants your sweet, sweet organic carbons. Think about it. I just made that up. What's up, Corny B? What's up, man? You don't come in often. You like your stuff. Happy Friday. Happy Friday to everybody, my friends. Happy Friday indeed. Such a good Friday. I'm just waiting for this to break out. You know it's waiting for me to end the stream. I'm waiting for it to break out. We get stuck in a loop. GOAT is going to 20 billion, you say. What's up, C-Loss? You're never late. Compression onto Pepe. I haven't looked at Pepe in a little bit. Tia, only for you. Literally just waiting. Spicy AF. That is right, Queen. You are spot on. It is so spicy. Okay. Tia BTC. Actually, that's kind of interesting. Tia BTC did hold its low for now. Bitcoin dominance not tapped out yet. At least that's what we're assuming. But not breaking its BTC low here. I actually don't hate this. I don't hate this setup. Look at these taps on resistance. Let's make this just one. It's always a better move. So it's like 988,523. Yeah, one. Currently at 885. Tapping that 1,000 resistance against Bitcoin. Higher lows. This is looking. This kind of looks like a breakout, doesn't it? Look at that. Look at that head and shoulders when you reverse the chart. Going over the dollar pair. Damn. Held 4.14, back up to 6, held 5. I think 882 is a great target. 882, you got to get past, obviously, 680 here. But I think this is painting. I think it's painting for 880. You got $12 is a great take profit target up there too. I think what we see is TIA BTC break out whenever dominance finally chills. And I think we see a pretty quick move. I think whenever that happens, you'll see a pretty quick move back up to resistance. Not a lot of divergence, not a lot of like indicators that are really eye drawing. But I do need to put an alert. That's for sure. If you get a shot at $5, if you want a long on this, if you get a shot at $5 again, that's it. That's the play. We'll see if it comes. DOG. Peace, Tom. Thanks for chilling. What's up, Under the Gun? Enjoy. Happy Friday, my friend. What do I think about Dog? Dog is alright. Dog's okay. I mean, it's looking good. It's just moving slow. I like that it held half a penny. Half a penny is a good spot to hold. 0061 weekly resistance above you. Then you got 0072. And you just go back to all-time high. There's not a lot of history here. I don't love that it painted a lower low in August. That makes me more skeptical about breaking a penny. You got an open fair value gap down here. Support, resistance. I don't really have anything positive or negative to say about it yet. I need to see more price action happen. You are painting higher highs and higher lows. It doesn't seem to be giving back what it's taking. I wouldn't be surprised though. Bitcoin keeps going. I wouldn't be surprised to see these resistances tapped. Maybe even the all-time high, but we'll see. If you break the all-time high, you break a penny. Probably looking at 2.8 cents, maybe as high as 5 cents. But that's still pretty far away. EOS, Beast Thomas, did you ask about this last stream? Nobody here except for you wants to look at EOS. Not even me, but I'll pull it up. Just because I think you asked last stream, and I didn't. Oh my god, dude. I thought Litecoin was hard times. This isn't the full history. There we go. Damn, hit all-time lows. Traded below October 2017. Man, this just seems like a bad bet. I mean, maybe it's a good bet for like a bounce, like a dead cat bounce. But like, dude, come on, you broke all-time low. You're literally at the all-time, like previous all-time low or below it right now. I mean, you're either at an opportunity or at a point of max opportunity, or you're just catching a perpetually falling knife. And there we go. Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, boys. Hype it up. Hype it up. We might be getting pump round 2 here. Higher high for the day. Our analysis laid out. There we go. Higher high. Let's go. Let's go. Tap the likes. Bitcoin pushing higher, reaching to that 69K mark right now. There we go, boys. There we go. Let's go. Let us go, pumpy. Bull run for BTC. It's day 500 or 657 of the Bitcoin bull run. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 22 minutes on the hourly candle. Nice little hammer coming in with that lower low. Nice green body. It's exactly what we wanted. Can't believe that like scalpy position actually played. Down here. Okay, 15-minute closed at our highest 15-minute close. Now we have a higher high. That's solid. That's solid. Momentum picking back up. Money flow coming up with it. I think we move higher. I think we go a little bit higher because you've got to take it higher. Yeah, those music. I'll play off just in case. Now settling back down. You know it's waiting. It's just waiting for me to end the stream. Yetch. Son of a bitch. And then look at Ethereum. Is Ethereum moving, man? Ethereum seems to just never want to move anymore. I thought I would regret selling my Ethereum at 3,900. I was like, man, I'm gonna regret this. I mean, I will someday. Someday I'll be like, man, I shouldn't have sold it. But not yet. Looking good today, though. Ethereum kind of joining the rest of the crew here with a nice high. Reaching up to Tuesday's high, that 2,680 resistance still in play. But yeah, the macro is not bad here. Macro is not bad. Higher low. God, I hate the extends. I wish there was like a way I could toggle that easier. Higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high. You gotta make a higher high, Ethereum. You gotta do it. If you don't make that higher high, you're just lagging behind everything. You're being a weirdo. Stop being a weirdo. Needs support, man. Ethereum will eventually run. It just seems to be having issues. That ETF did not play out well for it so far. TC and team marathon stream. You never know, man. You never know. You never know. We just touched $14 under 69,000. You're saying that all stream? Sorry, I didn't catch your line in my pocket. You gotta get over. It's like 2,680 and you can actually make a move. CBK Wahoo heading for 72. There's no real resistance anymore. Well, there's a little bit. It's not far off from what you're saying though. It's not far off. I'm just nitpicking. Nitpicking. You do have a resistance of significance. That's 71.2, 71.3. We've been talking about this for the majority of the year now. I thought it would hit last quarter. It did not. Other than that, though, I agree. There's really not a lot in the way. Kind of depends how you draw this descending trend line. Depends how you draw it. Take the two highest points. I think maybe we just tapped it. Let's see. I haven't had the trend line this way. I guess I'll just do it for the sake of it. Let's get like minutes out of here, hours. Put it down to the 60. There we go. So close. So we could say 69.1-ish resistance. Then we could say 71.2, and then there isn't anything. You're right. There is the all-time high, 75. Kind of doubt though if we hit that all-time high that there's really that much profit taking. That high was 7 months ago. There'll be some. Without a doubt, there'll be some. But I struggle to think it will be very meaningful. I think if we get up to there, it's already kind of done. Let's add it. We are very close. We're edging. Edging, man. CME, BTC futures just hovering. I didn't look at CME. I talked about it and thought about opening it, and then I didn't. Let's look at CME. Because it's going to be important. This is going to be closing here soon. Where this closes. Going to be interesting. 2.5 hours. Chilling at 69. Some of you should know about CME. CME is delayed, the data, unless you have like institutional data, which I think is like $10,000 a month or something. It's delayed like 15 minutes. So when you see a breakout on spot, you won't see it on CME, at least like for 15 minutes. It's always behind. That 60.1 gap filled. What else we got? Do we have any more gaps? Let's see. We might when we open Monday. Actually, this is technically a gap here. This is technically a gap. 66.9 to 67.2. This might even be a gap. This is even a gap. Weird. We got a bunch of little gaps. No gaps here, filled. Although filled, but then left a tiny gap below that gap. This shit's Swiss cheese right now. Let's go. 5 minute, a little sell off, but just back to that 15-minute resistance, maybe testing it as support. This is not a bad place to find it. Candle turning green. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribed. The spice is spicing. We're live here Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 1 p.m. East. 5 years strong, 5 years more coming. Make sure you subscribe. Make this number go. Any other alerts? Nothing. All kind of quiet on the alerts. Dominance chilling out. Coin at the high. So close, man. So close to the highest possibly described trend line. Oh wait, I want this on hours. I don't want it on days. There we go. There we are. We're at the footsteps, at the precipice of all-time highs. 68,960, and we are battling it out. Oh my God, go. What's up, Patrick? Patrick 𝐓𝐫𝐚𝐝, Ahmed, Mosa, Engineer, Arif. What's up, boys? Happy Friday. Happy Green Friday. We got 1,130 votes on our poll. This distribution, the exact same. I'll say 60% of us saying pamp it, 40% of us not saying pamp it. It's a pretty good distribution. You should click these little buttons here. Click the like button, the subscribe button, join our fam. Things are getting very spicy and you're going to want to come back here. Rejection time, says Jay Constant. I mean, not yet. Maybe coming. Not yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Working on its 9th green candle. Just do it, Ethereum. Stop being so lame. I know, dude. I feel the same way. I feel exactly the same. Although Ethereum looks very good right now. I kind of, guys, not financial advice. I think Ethereum breaks this here. I think it either breaks it today or this weekend. I think so. Higher low. Back test, move up. Maybe you do like something like that, but I think Ethereum breaks it. I think Bitcoin moves higher this weekend. I think Ethereum follows. Oh, there's another higher high in the day. Yes, it is. There we go. 69,000. How much we want to bet though that we do get a big red candle at like exactly 69? Someone keep tabs. Is Coinbase open? 69K. There it is live. Giggity, giggity, giggity. 69. What comes next? Guys, keep tabs. If Coinbase goes down, I need to know. Need to know. In real time. That's how we'll know it's real. Yep, there's a red. There's a red. There's a little red. Eking on through. 13 minutes left in the hour. Things are looking good. Right on cue, yeah. 69,420. That would be a better number, I agree. My ears need a little break from that. There's been a lot of rumbling in the background. 69K to the penny coming in on the live. Boom, to the penny. 62 extra pennies even. That is not the rejection I was kind of joking about either. That's nothing. It's nothing. Where are we going? Where are we going? I like it. One of the first things we looked at in this stream was this. I love this pattern, man. I don't know if I trust any pattern in the same capacity. This pattern seems to just slap. Whenever you have a flat side of the trade, in this example it was the resistance, almost always seems to break. And always is not the word, but I'd say 80% of the time, 75% of the time, it breaks the flat side. Got it again. May we come back? I guess we already did, but I don't really count that. Come back, tap it. Maybe we see even a move like this. I like it. Dude, this is not a that is not a rejection yet. It's not a rejection yet. Still moving. Love the green. FOMO loading. Loading. You just need music, no singing. Maybe I'll just put a different mix. It was just starting to get to me. Let's put a little lo-fi. Yeah. Maybe that's too calming though. I still like it. We shall be calm in the storm. Coming up on 2 hours live though, boys. 2 hours. Dogecoin now taking that #1 spot for biggest gainer. What about Beam? I'm sure people asked about Mew. I probably just didn't read it because I was like, stop asking about your shitcoins. It's going. Dude, this is not a rejection. That is not bad. What even is this Mew? I've never seen it. Mew. Probably because it doesn't have that much trading. Mew at all-time highs today. And nobody wanted to look at it. I'm sure you guys did. I'm just playing. Mew at all-time highs. What even is this coin? Cat in a dog's world is what it's called. What? This kind of seems fake to me. I just haven't heard people talk about this. Usually that's a weird flag for me. Looks like the 14th, 15th tested that all-time high, broke, rejected, higher low. Broke higher today. That's an uptrend. That is looking for highs, man. Moon math. 1.5 cents. This moon math's not very moony. It's only like a 2x. $2.2. A lot of charts. 2.2 cents. Weird. Hasn't quite reached a penny. I would be very skeptical about going long on this until we see a penny. Get a penny, come back to that previous all-time high 0.0088. That's probably a good trade. It's probably a good entry there. Got an alert set. I'm gonna check back in on this at another time. 2 hours in is not the time for me to be doing new charts. What about Beam? I feel like Beam is always in the top gainers, but never seems to, like, I don't know. Never seems to do it, right? Let's see. Yeah, bullish. I get it was bullish. 2 cents for Beam. I'd be looking for 2 cents. This looks all too right. All too right to me. Something like that. Beaming. What else is ENA? We've looked at ENA, but let's pull it up. We're just pulling up charts, waiting for the coin to run. We hit 69,000. Let's go. Ooh, higher low. No freaking, just skipping the supports. It's all right. 55 cents ENA. Looking for 42, basically where price is at. After a test of 55, that's going to be a beautiful trade if that happens. Chilling out. What's up, Shannon? Shaven Davis. NSNOEFC, what's up? Wadouge, Jihan. You guys subscribing during the live, I love you. Make this number go up. The more people who subscribe, the more Bitcoin goes up. That's a lie, but it's still something I like saying. What's up, G. Lou, James, Patrick? You got a lot of them. You guys should all join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. It's good times in there. Very good times. You owe me 1 or 2 thanks. You don't owe me nothing, Quantum. It's all you, brother. You put on these live streams to make you think you're making moves. Yeah, I mean, I imagine people have no idea what I'm saying. You just tune in. Just like, what is all this gibberish? Ando, Pepe. All right. While we're waiting for the coin to load, I'll pull up random charts. Kind of what I've been doing. Ando filled at 70 cents. Let's go. Up 10% on that trade already. Higher high, higher low, higher high again. That's a solid chart. Well done, line in my pocket. Ando. Definitely looking fresh here. Pepe, I know people asked about it. Pull up the Pepe. Is Bitcoin at all-time high again? No, I wish. It's coming. Pepe trade actually slapping as well. That was about 20%. Man, hopefully you got better entries. Hope doing good. Pepe. Usually I like to talk shit about Pepe, but I kind of like this. Resistance, low, up to resistance, resistance to support, back to resistance. Man, Pepe. A lot of these charts, man, they're all positioning. It seems like they're all just getting ready for Bitcoin to smash. It's hard not to be bullish. I think if Pepe breaks its September high, it's going to sound weird. I think it's going back to all-time high. Sounds weird. It's hard to think. That looks pretty good. Gala, sure. LFG, that's right, Crypto Stevo. What's up, Elva? Sterling, Bitcoin a little dumpy? A little dumpy? A little bit, kind of. I mean, I don't know. Can you really call that dumpy, though? Like, is that dumpy? Maybe. There are red candles, yes. I'll agree. What's going on with my trading view? You guys see that? It's like a bunch of green lines popped up and then disappeared and then the chart came up. Would have preferred we held 68.8 here. Maybe we still do. This is a fresh 5 minute. You typed sexiest YouTuber in crypto and Google sent you here. Google knows you well. Juan Cletus. Have we looked at Cletus? Sounds familiar. No, I haven't looked at it. Dude, my skin is so dry. Is anyone else having like wicked dry skin lately? You know what? Actually, I'm gonna do it this way. We've looked at so many charts. I'm looking for my like blank chart. Where did it go? Oh no. Oh no. Gala. Lows coming up. And kind of just looks like the rest of the unmoved coins at the moment, right? Tap in resistance, higher high, tap in, tap in. $2.688. Probably a good upside target from here. I don't think I would take this trade, but I think a trade could be done like this. Something like that. Terrible risk to reward. It's okay. Stop below your low. Target 2.68. Bro, you're from India. What's up, bro? ICP pumping. Every time someone tells me ICP is pumping and I look at it, it's not pumping. It's not the right chart. It's like XRP. People are like, oh, I got it's pumping. And then I look and I'm like, that's not pumping, dude. It's literally the same price. You've skunked me again. Again, you have skunked me, my friend. Every time I look at this chart, it's not pumping when people say it is. Not quite as flat topped as the others. I think this trade's still good. I can't believe 1150 didn't hit on it. You got support at 641, but the problem is you hit 641, you've broken a bunch of lows. You're not really painting that really bully pattern. Where did you go, Cotton Eye Joe? Velodrome. I'm doing Cletus. We'll look at some crappers while we wait. I don't know if it's a crapper. I'm just gonna call it a crapper. Oh, this has been around longer than I expected. Is this the full history? I kind of think it's not. But it also looks like this is going to be one of them where it's important to have the full history. The high of 33, high of 25. Those listing wicks, dude, they just ruin charts. I am convinced that market makers do that intentionally to bunk up the chart. Yeah, it ain't bad. It ain't bad. Came very close to what I'll say is the all-time high. Struggling with that previous month, though. The previous monthly high. Maybe find a support here. Dude, I don't know. I don't know now. I like this weekly backtest. I like also that it's like at entry, right? Like literally still on the table. $0.15, 16 cents though. Damn, I'll tell you what. I don't know. This is not a trade I would take. This, on the other hand, this is a trade I would take. That 200 weekly moving average right at the 50, right at 10 cents. Doesn't really get better than that. That's like all the confluence I need. There. I'd take that. I'm setting an alert here. Let me know when that happens. It might never happen. At this point, I think all-time high even looks kind of more likely. I like how these charts are just shooting up. Let's do a little moon math on the Cletus and then we'll move on. I'm going to put this trade and this chart in the private exclusive section in the Discord. Discord.gg/TomCrown. If you want access to that exclusive private group, all you have to do is sign up with any of the partners, any of the links, any links in this video description or in any of them on Discord, any of them. Doesn't matter. Doesn't even have to cost you a penny. That's the only way in. There's no other way. See this. Okay. 5 minute, picked it up a little bit, losing it again. Maybe it is a little dumpy on these low time frames. What it's really doing is it's waiting for this freaking stream to end like it does every day. Brett. I think I have Brett pulled up. Turbo. Uni. God, I have so many charts. You can't even see. I have like infinite tabs open. I can't tell what's what. We have looked at dozens of charts today. Dozens. There we go, Brett. Yeah, Brett hasn't moved. I don't know what's going on with that. It's just like loading. This trade's still good from 8.5 cents, currently at 10. Looking for 13.4, 13.5. Just hanging out. Brett hasn't done much. We love infinite tabs, I know. Store J, Vlad. Only because you've been here for so long. You want to learn trading? You also want to trade the Indian market. Bikram, we got a great free trading course on this channel. It's on the playlist on this channel. Check it out. We looked at Whiff, Nick. You probably pulled it up again at some point. Storage J, only because Vlad has been here for forever. Maybe he's onto something. Wow, that did not work out. Damn, that is really brutalized against BTC. Close above July's high and got a nice week cooking. Past 60 cents. I want to see Storage A close above 60. Probably have to update this chart. I don't think this, I don't even know if 60 is really the play anymore. These are old lines. I haven't looked at this chart in a while. Do this. Probably looked at this January of this year. 70 cents looks like a good target. I'd prefer 50. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. You've already kind of battled out the 60 and moved higher. Yeah, 70 cents looks good. Maybe you can make a play from 60 to 70 if you're a clever lad. That. Something like this. This chilling music is putting me to sleep. So is corn. Ooh, but maybe not. But maybe so. Bitcoin's going to go higher though. It's going to go higher. It's just taking its time. It really is just like timing it for when I run out of voice. It's like, all right, Tom's getting weak. New subscriber. What's up, Miss Habu? Sorry if I didn't pronounce that right. I tried. What's up, Movie Club HD, Caitlin Gaming. L, just the letter L, subscribed. Mike, Yusuf, Nads. You guys all rock. Y'all rock. We hit 132,000 subscribers. We'll hit 133 next week. You don't have to worry about that today. We got bigger things. Looked at Jasmine. Jasmine not moving. Looked at Link. BCH. I think BCH is probably a good trade. Not passionate about it, but probably a good trade. Oh, look. The old whiff. Yeah, we talked about whiff. I think the short gets wrecked. Higher highs, higher lows are uptrending. 330. Break 330, looking for like all-time high 450. Corn floating up here. That wasn't the rejection we talked about. I bet we see some red at 69 just because, yeah, because the memes. That's not the rejection I was talking about. I was talking about like boom, like just down. Like, that's barely even a move. That's barely even a sell-off. What is this? Sell-off for ants? Letting our longs just like play here. Thumbs up. Something's going on. Oh, corn. I know every single time I think like, all right, I'm getting tired. Every time I even have a thought, it starts moving up again. They ate all the liquidity at 69 Coinbase. Good. Carlos, if you wanted to buy $5,000 in Bitcoin, should you do it now or wait for it to drop? I don't think putting all your money into anything all at once is ever a good idea. I haven't seen that be successful for people. Should look into a DCA strategy. That's how I did it. BNB, I want to look at BNB, but Bitcoin won't let me look away, dude. It's gonna break 69. It's like don't look away. Stay here with me, it says. Do we look at Moonwell? We've looked at Moonwell a few times in the last week or two. BNB has been the sleeper play in my opinion. It still looks beautiful. I have unchanged in my opinion over, I don't even know, like 8 months now. It's going back to all-time highs. It's going back. Moonwell. I don't remember the chart. All right, it's made some progress since, I swear we looked at this Monday. Made some progress pushing up into that weekly resistance, 5.5 cents. Looking for a close above there. 8 cents going to be that kind of final spot. Break 8 cents. Of course, you'll say, well, we probably have a trip to 10. Come back to 8, maybe. You can be looking for some very big upside here. All you gotta do, move up a little bit more. What about Zao? What about Zao? Dude, I think betting down on gold right now is not a great choice. Wow, look at this. Look at these perfectly clean candles, man. Can't even make that up. Beautiful. 5 cents in action. Boom, higher high. This is good. That looks good. That looks damn good. Popcat. Yeah, we'll pull up Popcat. Bitcoin's trying to wear me out. Son of a bitch, fill these longs. We want long fills. Popcat higher low again after a higher high. Going back to 150. Will you break it this time? Break 150, probably looking for 250 pretty quick. Got some bear div going on. That's probably not the end of the world. I'd probably be more likely to short at 150 though. It's just so tasty. Retested our high of day. Retested 69,000 on the dot. Let's see if we can hold a higher low on the 1 minute chart. Reject. That's what I want. That's what I want. I don't think this rally is over, fam. I don't think it's over. I think we're still going. Go. BTC target, sir? Ooh, that's a good question. Greg, here's a short laundry list of vaults that are teed up for launch. Honestly, all of them look like they're teed up for launch. Everything looks ready. We've had 7 months of grind. We had an all-time high in that 7 months of grind. It's gonna get good again. Sandwich you? Sure. Get me one too, Adam. BTC, it's bullish or bearish, sir? I ain't bullish as hell. All the bullish. What's up, Jude? Subscribing right now. HDelT subscribing. Bro, my voice is it's getting to its limit, boys. It's getting to its limit. You know the second I end this, it's gonna go up. Like the second. It's Friday. It's hovering at 69. No real rejection yet. Bitcoin looking strong into this weekend. And I'm very appreciative. We are live here Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 1 p.m. East. If we break 70K, we'll go live over the weekend. If it's 70K, I'll just slap on an emergency stream. And if it's in the middle of the night, we'll go live. But I think it's time for me to let Bitcoin run, boys. You know it's waiting. Like, just watch. As soon as I hit end stream, this is going to go up. Make sure you subscribed. Sign up with the partners in the video description below. Join us on Monday. And watch Bitcoin break 70K as soon as I end this. We'll go live again. Join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. Thank you for joining us today. This is a spicy day. It's the start of a very spicy time. As you can tell, as Bitcoin is reacting to my voice. That's right, Bitcoin. We're ending the stream. Yeah, don't even worry about it. We're ending the stream. Go ahead. Go ahead. You won't. Discord.gg/TomCrown. Love you, fam. See you soon. Stay